Hi friends, now I am gonna explain you about the second part of my web page. It consists of 4 subdivisions: personal details, address, contact information, and education details. Now I'll show you my code. My code looks like this. In title, I gave the title of the web page as my resume. After that, in H1 tag, I gave the name of the page as submit your resume, and again after the first thing is enter your personal details. I took the input type as text, name equals to t1 required, placeholder, enter the first name. Br tag I used. Br tag is used to break the line. As the same way I entered the first name, we should also enter the middle name and the last name by taking same input type as text. And for the date of birth, we should take the value also because it is in the numerical format. Again we should use br tag for the breakage, and input type age. For the age, minimum it will be 1, I took as 1, maximum it is 60. After this it comes as gender. The input type for gender I took it as radio for creating the radio buttons, male, female, etc. And after completing this subdivision, it goes as value is equals to 20 and max is equals to 100. 20% out of 100% will be completed after closing the form tag. And here comes the next subdivision, address. uh, in address, uh, input type will be hidden type because it shouldn't be shown when we are typing the address. And as I told you, first ampersand NBSP is used for space, and I took the text area, column is equals to 20 and row is equals to 1. City, town, I gave the city, town, input type is equals to text and name equals to t1. Select the name, select the state, I gave the select state option, Maharashtra, Bhopal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. I gave 4 as options. And next comes the zip code. Zip code input type I gave as text, and next the placeholder. In placeholder only 5 numbers it will be accepting, and I close the form tag. Again, progress is after completing this subdivision, progress will be for value of 40% and max it will be 100%. 40% out of 100% will be completed. After this, it will be having the contact information, telephone number, input type is text and name equals to t1. Placeholder will be giving some number as example. Again br tag will be used. And after email id, and for everything the input type will be taken as text, and placeholder consists of some hidden text uh, while we are entering. After this we will be using closing form tag. Next, 60% out of 100% will be completing. This will be the progress. After this we'll be creating the table. I'll give the caption for table as table only, border as 1. Next, TD qualification. In qualification it comes board or university, country, in which year they started and ending year of the course, and percentage. After this, input type will be checkbox, and for entering the input type will be text as usual, and placeholder will consist of university, and in which country they have studied. For that there will be an option. Same it will be for 10th, 11th and BTech, but in 11th it will be input type of percentage will be min is equals to 1 and max is equals to 100. Same Next it comes as the progress will be 80% up to here. After this we'll use a paragraph tag to attach some form of documents or PDF, and again we'll be using BR tag, and input type will be files for the PDF, and it could be acceptable for audio, video or image. Now the progress will be 100%. Input type will be submit, or input type will be label. Here will be using label tag, or input type will be submit or reset. Now I'll be showing my output by entering some values. Here state I'll be selecting as Karnataka. Zip code I'll be giving 641114. Again in telephone number I'll be giving some 0409988. Here I'll be selecting, instead of China, Germany. Here instead of England I'll be selecting Sydney. Here is my web page. Thank you.